Happy April superstars, it's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for April 2021 in all 6 crucial astrology dimensions. As one of the only 2 certified Magi astrologers at the highest level, and as the inventor of one-of-a-kind instant and affordable astrology tools, I've now helped tens of thousands of people in the US and around the world to achieve their dreams of love and success. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that notification bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos debut. April's just an average month. Remember that general cycles impact everyone, but your most powerful influences at any time are your personal cycle, so always check those too. One way to look at best and worst days in general is this. Best days have the power to create best outcomes. Worst days have the power to create disaster. The first pair of best days in April are peaking heartbreak days in the geocentric declinations. Please don't start anything new or meet anyone new during these days. The run of worst days in the second week of April features, among other things, Sun and Earth clashes with the Saturnian blunder midpoint. Avoid these days for any major decisions. And if you normally double-check your work, triple-check it during these days. You're far more likely than usual to be error-prone. The last run of worst days includes Sun and Earth squares to Varuna, which in this turbulent geometry can make these days of extremes. These are also heartbreak days in geocentric zodiac 7, so the symbolism for these days is extreme heartbreak. Keep your head down, don't make waves, and save new initiatives and new meetings for better stars. April's first pair of best days are some of the best days for love and success all month. These days include a Yod with Sun, Mars, Eris, and Nike in a sync with Neptune and Juno in the geolongitudes. In Helio, Earth is conjunct and opposite the Venus-Chiron magical midpoint. These could be powerful days for natalizing things which involve imagination, innovation, and/or sports and athletics. The pair of best days the following week highlights a talent for speaking or writing, and Sun enhancements in the geodeclinations support recognition for athletic performance. And these are amazing days for strategizing with the Earth-Odin Palace Grand Trine in Helio. The remaining best days in April are singletons. To see the specific best and worst days for love and for money, please click on the link below. Timing really is just about everything. You really can use the stars to improve your odds of love and success as long as you always factor in your own personal cycles too. DIY info on that and a coupon are below. Click Show More. If you liked this video, please click like. Thank you. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on how to get your personal best and worst timing, how to understand your relationships, and more. Get there now. Text Astrology to 51555. We're still in a time of real challenge. Keep your attitude patient and positive. There are always more blessings to come. Here's wishing you an awesome April.